Welcome once again, guys. So now let's cook a simple flyer in Photoshop. So now I'll click open. I'll just open new layer. I want to start a new project. So the inches, I'm working with 4 by 4 inches. I'll just write flyer. Yeah, I will use your RGB color white. Or this one, just submit all this one square pixel. So I'm going to click create. Now, so this is the Canva now. So now I'll be working with so you can either let me use this particular place. I think I will prefer this particular place. I want to fill up, I want to change the color to black color. So you can change the color to anything here, connect, and then I think you can just use ash, use ash color, or use gradient. Get here. I'm just going to just a little bit of this for the color now. So I'm going to click OK and change this to gradient, and then click reverse, and then I'll scale it for. I just want a little bit of this here, so you can see. So now I'm going to look for any random picture I can use. Which picture can I use? So let me use. Okay, this background is already removed. Oh, this speed. Let me drag this to this particular place now. I've already removed the background for this already before I've removed the background. So I'll come here and click. So I want a shadow and this beneath here, so I can write text on it. So I'm just going to put the layer here and then come here and drag it here like this. So you can see it's now above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this layer mask. So I'm going to click on this layer mask and then come to this. They call this gradient tool. So I want to change anything. I want to blend it. So that's what I want to do now. I want to blend it together. So I'm going to come in like this, take it up, it down. So I'm now going to reduce the opacity to just a little bit. So you can see now I can write something under. I can write text under this. I can write text under it. So I'm going to click on text now. I'm going to click layer plus and add text and put it here now. So let me just write Wizkid. So it's black. Let me change it to white. Change it to white. I'm going to put it. Put it here. So let's just use something not too bright like that. So, I'm going to use black and white. Let me just write Wizkid FC. Wizkid FC. Wizkid FC. Export. So this is what I'm writing now. I'm going to zoom this one and let's see. Take this one up like this. I'm going to add shadow effect here. So pick drop here and then I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to take this one below it and then on this drop shadow again, and then I want the shadow to be on top of this FX here. So I want the shadow to be on top of this FX. So that's what I'm going to do. You can see the effect. You can see the effect on the text. So you can see, so if I want to change this color now to maybe red, so you can pick color from here, or you can pick red if you like. Oh, I think I like this color. Nice. I'm going to put designed by Famous Beat. Designed by Famous Beat. Designed by Famous Beat. I'm gonna put it down here and change the font to white. I'm gonna change the font. You can see designed by Famous Beat here. So okay, so you see how nice it is. So this is how simple it is to make a simple artwork or graphic design or flyer in Photoshop. Don't forget to like and comment for more. Peace.